In front of me is a Doogee S55 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into the device. So before we start, you will need some kind of SIM eject tool, like I have one right here. And if you can't find it or you don't have it, you can always use something like a paper clip or anything that is small enough to fit in there but sturdy enough that it doesn't like break or bend. So then pull off the rubber cover right here and you will find this tray. So let me actually lock the device. Okay, so it's a rubber thing, if I can get it out of the way. So you can see the tray, it's this thing right here. And above it you have a little hole. You can put the tool and just push it in and you see the tray kind of pops out. And just take it out like so. And just completely take it out of there. And you can put the SIM and SD card in there. So SIM goes like so, with the cutout on the bottom right corner, and the SD card like this. Now make sure that both of them are lying flush on there, so as you can see. And then you wanna, probably the easiest way would be to hold it basically flat like so and slide it back into the device. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Now you can then close off the flap like so. Now as you can see, the SIM card is being read because it requires the pin for it. So I'm just going to put it in and update for no thanks. And also, as you can see in the corner, there is the logo for the memory card. So as you can see, both of them are working. And this is how you insert the SD card and SIM card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.